have been
What's your
offered a
number?
pretty crazy one.
What is it?
There's people, not like official term sheets, but like people that would actually like be able to afford it. Like, yeah, $1 billion and we could own the channel and the companies and stuff like that. Like, and I'm like, oh, that sounds enticing.
Mr. Beast is going to be the first YouTube billionaire, which is crazy, but no matter how much money his YouTube channels make, there is still plenty of money on the table for everybody online. To give you an idea, people sell other people's products online. This is called affiliate marketing, and this is a $12 billion underground industry that most people don't even know exists. Now, I'm just a regular guy. I'm not like Mr. Beast, who is a huge influencer, but I still generate over $30,000 a month just from selling other people's products online, and you can do exactly the same thing too. Now, there's a very specific way to do this and a very specific system that you can implement, and if you want to learn exactly how I'm able to generate this type of income using affiliate marketing, selling other people's products, which is a $12 billion industry, go ahead and just follow me on my channel, click on the link inside of my bio, and follow my training step by step.